If we're putting terrible things into our body, why would we think that we're going to get the output that we should deserve, that our body deserves, that our goals and our attention to our vision and our values deserve? Let's talk about the foundation. And this is really your physical health, because people sometimes ask me, where does mental health fall into this? And in my experience, your physical health is at the outside, because again, if we're laying on a hospital gurney, we can't perform at all. All the other pieces of this model bring us to good mental health, the ability to have agency over our choices. And so that's kind of how I have delineated these two things out. So the foundation of life is health, and it's diet. So not in like, am I trying to lose weight? Although if you're overweight, you should be mindful of your diet to get yourself to a healthy weight. But are you treating food as fuel? And a balanced diet is key to performance, right? If we're putting terrible things into our body, why would we think that we're going to get the output that we should deserve, that our body deserves, that our goals and our attention to our vision and our values deserve? Second piece of it is exercise. There are so many connections between your exercise, mental clarity, and energy. They're clear. Movement is medicine. It absolutely sets you up for success. And so 30 minutes, 5 times a week. Again, the research is clear. There is so much scientific data that supports making sure you do all 3 of these things to set yourself up for success. And then sleep. Sleep's critical to ensure that you have the energy to do the work and achieve your vision and your values. So let's just think about this. They say you need 6 to 8 hours of sleep a night. And so I'm on the low side of that. There is a gene that they have found where people need even less than 6 hours sleep. They have found people have this one gene, they can use about 4 hours sleep, which I think is quite honestly extraordinary. But for the average adult, we need to be aiming for 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And again, using routine to get us into a place where we are getting the sleep that we need. I thought this was really interesting. So 60%, a study in the Journal of Experimental Psychology demonstrated that walking indoors and outdoors triggered a burst in creative thinking, and the average creative output was 60% when a person was walking. So if you need to go solve problems, if you need to go think about something, go integrate exercise into what it is that you need to go solve, because your creativity scientifically proven to rise.